As the entire nation observes Labor Day, the Speaker of the House vowed the legislative branch will do its part in ensuring the rights and welfare of workers are upheld. To that, lawmakers will propose and approve measures that provide not only protection, but also incentives to a sector that is very vital to the country's economic growth. Mela Lesmoras has more.
As the nation celebrates Labor Day, House Speaker Martin Romualdez assured the House of Representatives will continue working to improve the well-being of millions of Filipino workers, including those working overseas. According to Romualdez, they will particularly focus on legislation that guarantees fair labor practices and promotes safety and health standards. The House leader assured the government is steadfast in its resolve to create more opportunities for workers and to foster an environment where labor rights are protected and economic opportunities flourish. Yesterday, as part of the government's continuing efforts for employees' welfare, OFW Party List Representative Marisa Del Mar Magsino filed House Bill No. 10286 or the proposed expansion of the involuntary separation benefit for laid-off workers. She said, given the continuing layoffs or sudden job losses in various companies, there is also a need to ensure better benefits for affected employees. During the plenary session, Gabriela Party List Representative Arlene Brosas also advocated for the welfare of workers, especially with extreme hot weather condition the country faces.
Bago pa man ang kasalukuyang El Nino, maraming manggagawa ang nakararanas na ng dagdag na hirap sa pagtatrabaho dahil sa init sa kanilang pagawaan. Ang Gabriela Women's Party ay kaisa ng sambayanang Pilipino sa pagsusulong ng maayos na kalagayan ng paggawa, dagdag sahod, kabuhayan at karapatan.
For their part, several senators also vowed to continue upholding the welfare of Filipino workers. Senate President Juan Miguel Zubiri personally takes pride in the Senate having passed the minimum wage increase bill to respond to the needs of workers. While for his part, Senate Majority Leader Joel Villanueva also assured,
ginagawa po natin ang lahat upang masuklian ang bawat pawis ng ating mga manggagawa sa pamamagitan po ng pagbalangkas ng mga batas na magpapaigting ng proteksyon, kapakanan at kakayahan ng ating mga manggagawa.
Mela Lesmoras from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.